We are out of milk. By Tom's Magic English. It's 7:30 in the morning. It's breakfast time. Today, I want to eat some cereal and milk. I put some cereal into my bowl. I open the fridge to get some milk. Oh no! We are out of milk. I scream. I jump. I pull out my hair. There is no more milk at home. I calm down. I sit down and think. What can I do? Oh yes, I need to go to the store. I grab some money. I grab a shopping bag. I grab my keys. I open the door and run to the store. The store is already open. I look for dairy products. There they are. I see milk. Milk, milk. I love milk. I grab a carton of milk and hurry to the cashier to pay for it. I'm out of the store and running home. I get back. My bowl of cereal is waiting for me. I put some milk into the bowl. The cereals swim in the milk. Oh my! I love cereal and milk.
I love you.
Thank you for studying with Tom's Magic English.